Looks like we're at the entrance of Firebreak 5. Yeah, nice line.
There you go.
Hey, drivers. Oh, yeah. Hey. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Casey and this is Jeep Jamboree Day 1 in Tillamook.
It does, yeah. How old is she?
So everybody stages in the line behind their lead vehicle for the trail that they're running. We're just on Firebreak 5. It's supposed to be one of the most scenic routes. It's a trail badge or something like that, so a lot of people want to go on. It's pretty popular. It's also one of the more difficult trails. And we just had a huge downpour of rain, so that's supposed to really make it muddy and slick and kind of up the difficulty rating. But we'll see. We've gone through some pretty hard trails, so we'll just air down, and we got lockers, we got winches, tow ropes, everything. Yeah, we got to drive about 30 miles to get to the trailhead. Then we're going to have a driver's meeting with the trail guide and air down and be on our way. All right, we just finished airing down. We're up in the hills. It's driver's meeting time and figure out what's just going on.
Okay, first off, thank you all for coming to the 5th annual Tillamook Jamboree. We really appreciate everybody coming. This has been so successful, more beyond what we ever dreamed. I'm Dirk, I'm your trail guide. I'll be leading you through this, hopefully. We may not see a lot of drenching rain just because we'll be in the trees. In a lot of it, so there's places where we will be exposed and all that. I have great people working with me this time, for sure. Jesse, my tail gunner.
Hey everybody.
First time. They gave me a mid gunner this year because our groups are getting so big. So the 2 hardest trails are actually getting mid gunners. Patrick, awesome job. I was out with them first time last Sunday. These guys are great. I love it. They made my job extremely easy.
No pressure.
All right. We are off, driver's meeting done, everybody's aired down. Not only is Jeep Jamboree to get new Jeep owners out and experience off-roading from beginner to, like us, but it's also to maintain and provide maintenance to the trails in the area that the Jeep Jamboree is taking place. In order to prepare for this, the Jeep Jamboree volunteers put in over 500 hours preparing this trail, or all of the trails that are for this Jeep Jamboree. What that does is provides just off-roading for everybody. Local residents or anybody that wants to come and off-road in this area can come and take advantage of the trails. Huge shout out to all of the volunteers and people at Jeep Jamboree for maintaining the trails. There are some tight trees, but nothing that we wouldn't be used to back home. Looks like we're at the entrance of Firebreak 5. It's supposed to be the 2nd hardest trail on this Jeep Jamboree. I'm really interested to just see how challenging it is. It's an off camber, there's the ground. To get around this tight switchback. So it looks like this is the first major sort of obstacle. It's super rocky. Give her. We're gonna, well, at least get halfway up this obstacle and wait. Well, everybody kind of makes their way to the hardest part. Let's climb up and see what's going on up here. It's hard to climb up. This is really a lot steeper than it looks. We're gonna go up and see what's going on. Couple big boulders in the middle of this trail that we kind of have to zigzag through, which is kind of what's giving people grief. You got to come up, go almost sideways on the trail, wrap around the next big boulder, and then scoot up past it without losing your momentum, because we are on quite a bit of a climb. As you saw me back there, I was kind of falling as I was coming back down, so you've got a little bit of gravity working against you. It's not just a flat crawling over rocks.
Side tire just on the edge of it, and then turn driver because there's a bigger rock over there. So as soon as you get past that guy, just turn driver a little bit. Not that one. That rock. So once you get past that rock, turn driver. So go ahead and back up, give it a buck to get past that, and then turn left. There you go. Go over it, go around. There you go. That's it.
There. Driver. There you go. Go. Just clear that rock, eh?
This is why I'm happy it rained. It makes it a little more fun.
Just gives a little sauce.
Yep. There you go. Okay, now driver.
So,
Oh, nice line, Mark. Yeah, nice line.
there you go. Woo. That's one way to do it.
Now, one of the cool things at Jeep Jamboree is, check this out. Boom. They give you a paper bag lunch filled with all kinds of goodies. Let's see what's in here. We got chips, smoked pepperoni meat stick, a bottle of water. We got some lettuce and tomatoes, probably to throw in your sandwich for those that didn't like it. We got, an apple, cookies, got some cheese, Twizzlers, Starburst, like a bunch of Halloween candy in here. And that's in the bottom. Some condiments. Awesome. And a sandwich. I did bring another sandwich because I do get hungry, but that's pretty awesome. You pick one of these up each day. They serve breakfast in the hall, which is nice. You can stop in early, grab breakfast so you don't have to worry about that while you're out, and then grab one of these. Looks like sponsored by Rancho. Sandwiches are great. Thanks to everyone at Jeep Jamboree that put together these awesome paper bag lunches. What a great idea. Slippery, eh? Where you gotta really ride. My e-brake was on. The section here you gotta really ride up a bank to avoid this big boulder on the passenger side. you got a nice friend there, Chris.
Now it's perfect. There you go. No, you just put it there.
Yep, there you go. Cut, passenger. Front locked? It wasn't looking like it was. There, now I think it is.
There you get around.
Oh, you're good.
Same thing. Up to going.
There we go. There it is. Walking it around.
New line.
Different lines on two-door. Bump, bump. There you go. Yep, yep. Passenger up to the slope. Do you see all the tread marks? Keep going. Hey, drivers. There you go. That was good fun. A little bit slick, a little wet. Definitely made it more challenging on those rocks with the moss and the mud. So they say it gets pretty easy when it's dry because you just basically grip on everything. So that was kind of cool. This looks like a little fun playground. You could possibly take the hard line up the right side or this bypass. Go right by it. The tight trail, it's pretty tight, not as tight as back home. Definitely wide enough to get a Jeep through here without too much trouble. I don't feel like I'm gonna bash my mirrors or my fenders haven't really rubbed on really anything coming through here, but definitely takes perfect placement or pretty good placement on the trail so that you don't end up in a tree. Jesus! Did we bring any spares?
Back up a little farther. Back it up.
You gotta come up high. It's alright. Did you get any glass inside?
Oh yeah.
All of it.
Oh, we can put it back together.
Yeah.
Puzzle.
That's awesome. You good? Pop Mark's spring back in. He's got these like 2.5-inch springs, but they're not dual rate and they're really short, and pretty much every time we go out and he flexes on either side, the spring just pops out of its seat. Well, that's a quick way to get it back in. Just open it up just enough and then give it a good kick, pop it back in. But yeah, just a little bit of pucker factor, right? Oh boy. Oh, it's starting to pour rain again. The weather changes every 5 minutes here. passenger. Yeah, now forward. Passenger. Climb the stump. Oh, you're right. Oh. Yeah. Okay, you're gotta climb the stump. Back up and drivers, yeah. Okay, now hard passenger. There's a stump right there that you're getting stuck on. Okay, forward. Slow. Driver, yep, straight. Cut hard drivers and then just roll right up on that. Yeah.
There you go.
Been a little bump. Oh, you made it. Nice. No bumps. That was a wicked first day at Jeep Jamboree. The guides did an awesome job leading everybody. It was super organized. All the runs were all really well planned and prepared for. And everybody was super friendly. Met a bunch of awesome people today and had a really great time the first day. So we've got another run tomorrow that we're gonna be going on called Archer's Break or something like that, which is supposed to be a slightly harder run than the one we did today. And I'm looking forward to that. That sounds like a ton of fun as well, and I'm sure it'll be just as organized and prepared. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, that'd be awesome. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, I will be vlogging tomorrow, upload in 1 week. I'll see you in that video.